Hello, everybody. I am Andrew here from Andrew's Meteorology, aka your most favorite meteorologist of all times. I was just wanting to hop on here really quick to provide you with an update on what you can expect as we are currently monitoring a system that will be moving into the region and could pose a risk for freezing rain and icy conditions. So, I'm going to take you over to a graphic that the National Weather Service Office of Pittsburgh issued, which includes some key points as well as the expected ice accumulation map. You can kind of sort of uh, get an idea on what to expect with the system, especially if you're planning on heading out the door anytime tomorrow. So, taking you over to the map here and going over some of the key points, light freezing rain is possible across the area Sunday morning. A brief period of snow is possible at the onset before transitioning to ice and then to rain as we head later into the day. With the cold ground, icy roads are possible even with air temperatures above the freezing point, which I do have to re-emphasize. Sunday along / north of I-80 and in the mountains. So basically, even if the temperatures are above the freezing point, there could still be some slippery spots on the roadways. There is a 30 to 60% chance of at least a tenth of an inch of ice accumulation in most ridges of PA and West Virginia, as you can see on the map there. And there is around a 50% chance of more than a quarter of an inch of ice accumulation in the highest ridges of eastern Tucker County and West Virginia. So, like, looking at the map, you can see there that most of the ice accumulation will be in the higher elevations and the ridges, but our region could see the chance for some icy road conditions as well. So, just one thing I emphasize, if you're planning on heading out the door or driving anytime during the day tomorrow, just be cautious and take it easy on the roadways, as there could be some slippery spots. So, taking you over to the map here to show you the alerts and the system that is currently moving in. Um, we currently see some winter weather advisories issued and winter storm warnings issued, especially for the higher elevations there. Um, so, let me pull up the winter weather advisory here. So, for the winter weather advisory, that remains in effect from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. Tomorrow or Sunday. What can we expect? Mixed precipitation and total snow accumulations less than 1 inch and ice accumulations around a light glaze. And like I said, this is in effect for portions of northwest and western Pennsylvania, as well as parts of western or West Virginia there. And like I said, this is in effect from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. Sunday. Um, some preparedness actions are to plan on slippery road conditions and summarizing everything here. It's just pretty much emphasizing to be careful on the roads as there could be some slippery spots as a result of freezing rain and the temperatures being right around freezing. So just one thing I emphasize is to just be cautious if you're heading out the door or driving anytime during the day tomorrow. Um, but like I said there, you can see the system that's moving in off to your left, um, which will be freezing rain initially, and then it will transition to rain, or mostly rain, I should say, as we head later into the day tomorrow. So, um, but I will be continuing to publish updates to our social media platforms, Facebook and Instagram, as well as YouTube for our video updates, which you can head on over and subscribe to. But as of right now, that is currently all I have for you. I will be providing what you can expect as you head through next week in a future update. So that'll be something to also stay tuned to. But as of right now, that is currently all I have for you. I hope you all have a wonderful rest of your evening, as well as a great rest of your weekend. Bye, everybody.